Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking essentials so nothing blocks you later. Once done, verify power, network, and account access because these let you proceed without interruptions. Next, gather practical tools like a charger and backup drive and enable 2FA to protect access. Then log in and sync your data. This creates a working baseline. Make sure to set a few initial preferences so the environment behaves predictably, and you can move into more detailed setup with confidence and speed. You now focus on deeper configuration. Install core apps and apply updates immediately because security patches often fix hidden issues. Once installations finish, customize notifications and privacy settings so interruptions are meaningful and data stays private. Then build automation rules or templates to reduce repetitive steps. This saves time every day. Organize files and create clear shortcuts, and set a regular backup schedule so you never lose work. By completing these middle steps, you transform a basic setup into a reliable, efficient system. You wrap up by testing everything. Sign in, perform common tasks, and confirm backups finish successfully. This proves the setup works under normal conditions. Next, document key settings and recovery steps in a secure place so you can rebuild quickly if needed. Finally, finalize any remaining personalization and schedule routine maintenance. If something goes wrong, isolate recent changes first, restore from your most recent backup if necessary, and contact support only after you've collected error details to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.